I think it's something you touched on earlier, which is everyone wants to get promoted so quickly and do something else. And I really, truly believe that medical science liaison or field medical roles are the best roles within any company. And yet everybody is in such a hurry to, check the box and move into leadership or to another position or climb the ladder instead of just enjoying the journey. My best times in the industry were, weekend meetings at cooperative group, research cooperative group meetings that, the National Cancer Institute sponsored with investigators, and watching things evolve and watching standards of care change and developing deep relationships with these thought leaders over time, to where you still get calls from people and your friends on Facebook, and you get Christmas cards, and you go to some of the society meetings, and you're meeting them for happy hour, coffee, or dinner, or whatever that may be. Don't rush it, man. That's just, it's the gold. It really is. And I see people that I interview for MSL jobs, Linda, that will sit there and say, Paul, I've dreamt of being an MSL my whole life. I played MSL in the sandbox with my sister, believe it or not, right? I had scientific exchange in the treehouse. And then 8 or 9 months later, they're like, yeah, I'm ready for something else. I'm like, yeah, what happened to the treehouse? They just get, and it's pressure from, parents or colleagues, or I got to post something on LinkedIn that I'm not just, not developing in my career doesn't always mean get promoted and into a new position. So we've done a good job, I think, in field medical, having career paths where people can stay in there and show that, go from MSL to senior MSL to executive or principal MSL. But sometimes that's not enough for folks. They need to have a director or associate director or, some other leadership title in their path. And that's the worst career advice. Just enjoy it. And I use the analogy of, grinding through gears in a car. You got to wait for the engine to get from first to second to third gear, and then put it into overdrive into fourth. So just don't rush the gears. Let it happen, and be mindful and take advantage of opportunities that come. But don't put so much pressure on yourself that you're not enjoying the journey, because it's a great ride being in field medical. Don't rush it.